अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट फ़ारूक। अपने वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस चैनल में जैसे कि आपको पता है मैं बायोमेडिकल के बारे में भी काफ़ी कुछ बता रहा हूं और आपको बताऊंगा भी। काइंडली अगर आपको मेरा चैनल पसंद आए, वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें और इसको सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है उनको आप देख सकें। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी एनालाइजर के बारे में बताऊंगा। वो कैसे यूज़ करते हैं। जब आप यूएई आते हैं जॉब के लिए तो सबसे मेन क्वेश्चन जब भी किसी भी एम्प्लॉयर के पास जाएंगे, आप हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे, ट्रेडिंग कंपनी जाएंगे, वो आपको पूछेगी इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी करना आता है। तो जब भी हम पाकिस्तान से आते हैं तो हमें बोलता है यार ये क्या होता है, ठीक है ना। पाकिस्तान में इतना पॉपुलर नहीं है, ठीक है ना। बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स में होता होगा, आगा खान हॉस्पिटल या शिफा इंटरनेशनल, तो बड़े हॉस्पिटल में होता है। यहाँ पर जो है वो हर जगह ही होता है, मैंडेटरी है ये। तो जब यहाँ पर आते हैं तो आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सबसे पहले तो आप याद रखें कि इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी जो है किसी भी मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट की जिसमें पावर जा रही है उसकी हम इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी करते हैं, ठीक है ना। अब बैटरी ऑपरेटेड आइटम्स जो हैं उनकी इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जो जो कम वोल्ट में होती हैं, ठीक है। इसके अलावा लेकिन जो हाई वोल्टेज फॉर एग्जांपल 3 फेस इसके सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट है तो उसका सेफ्टी एनालाइजर अलग होगा, ठीक है। बहरहाल मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ सिंगल फेस का, ओके। 220 वोल्ट सिंगल फेस का इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी। So this is the best site explaining the electrical safety. Okay, so see type 1 class 1, class 2, class IP, internal power supply like adapter or something, battery operated. So we have to focus on class 1 and class 2. Class 1 is the where the parts, the grounded parts is physically visible. There's like not a double layer or something, you can touch the grounding or the chassis, which is mostly the body part having the grounded. So we have to be in class 1. Class 2 means the body is fully isolated, we have a double isolation, so there will be no physical visibility of the grounding outside, so there will be no chance to have the current. So we are doing in the type class 2. Then see type B, you can see the type B part earth, patient applied part earth. Type BF part body floating or body surface or conductor, part floating of the contact with the heart, okay. So CF is a contact with the heart. So these are the things. So this is our safety analyzer which we are talking about, okay. We connect the power of the safety analyzer to the power socket, okay, and then we connect the instrument power to safety analyzer, and you can see that this is the on button. If you press it, it will power on, and if you press and hold it, it will power off, okay. Press and hold. So you go to there, you have several options, everything you have, okay. So you can change the date also, if you're going to the setup, language, everything. So automatic mode, you press the auto mode, you have option to put any asset number A, B, C, D, then you can enter it. If any record is there, it will come, okay, and if not, so record is there, so it's came. But I want to show you something else also. So you can select the class here also, okay. Like sorry, you can select the class in class 2, okay. So class 1, you can, if it is class 1B, you can do it, or if it is a body floating, it is cardiac floating, so you can change it also from here. BF body floating, CF cardiac floating, and you can add the probes also, 1 2 3 whatever the probes, and 0 B, okay. So no need to do anything. So we press this one. It can be automatic, it can be semi-automated also. So automatic printing. So you press this one, then it will give you to put the data, site, location, make, model, you put it, and then you press here. That it will goes to, first it will measure the resistance. Okay, so you have to connect the probe like this to backside, and then here to the instrument. Okay, here to the instrument, this probe should be connected to the instrument, connected to the instrument, in the body where you can find the grounding. Okay, in the chassis you can say. So you press this green button to run, it will run the test. Okay, so once it's done, it will show you correct. If it is fault, it is having not found greater than 0.2, then it will show you cross. Okay, you have to do it again by finding the correct place. It is very important. So you press here further, it will measure now amperes. How much is amperes rating? The instrument is idle, so it's not taking anything like. Then it's measuring the leakage current. Okay. So see, standard is giving. You can see the standard is written upstairs. IEC 60601. So this is very important for you if you are in UAE, how to use these type of thing. This is from Regal. Okay, Regal 288, but you have from Fluke also, so many other brands. So if you know one, then you can find out others by playing to the settings. So every analyzer is similar. Okay, so just to know the basic that how we can use it, and this one. So once it's done, it will show you, then you can escape if you want to write something, what is this or something, but you don't write it, you have to escape. Okay, now I will tell you the how to print it. So how to print it, so we'll go here, this one, and view data, and then like asset number which last time we printed, so we will go here, ABCD, so here, and then we have to print. So it cannot able to find the printer because printer is off. See, you have to on the printer. Okay, once we on the printer, then it's Bluetooth both device, so automatically it will detect the printer. So once it detect the printer, you will see this sign will be changed. So once this sign will be changed, you can press it here, it will print the data. Okay, very simple. Everything is there.